Alright, so today we are riding the Kenosha Streetcar. So we're heading up there now. Don't ask why I'm in a car. I should probably be taking the Metro Union Pacific North, but that's way too slow, so we are cruising on 94 here. Good thing there's no traffic today. So I also have Nathan over there.
Hello.
So yeah, we'll get there shortly. Well, not shortly, still in an hour or so. So yeah. Alright, so I guess we got distracted, so now we're here at IKEA. And we're sharing some food. Sorry, no streetcar yet. Let's try one of these delicious meatballs. Let's get some of this sauce. Whoa. No?
What's up, blood?
Alright, bro.
Broski.
Alright, bro, we get the idea.
Low-key, genuinely the best. So we're gonna do a food review at IKEA here in Oak Creek. Oh, thank you. Hey, how'd you know that, Nathan? Is it nice? Oak Creek.
We're too bothered by the Chicago suburbs.
Wisconsin, Oak Creek. Yeah, there's no creeks in the Chicago suburbs. Anyway, we've eaten most of the food. You can't really see it anymore. It's in our digestive systems at this point. But we had some chicken fingers, which did not look like fingers, which is good because nobody wants to eat fingers. We had some fries, which were kind of skimpy, but good. We had a 12 meatball plate, of which there are 3 meatballs remaining. One for each of us. How convenient. And we had some mac and cheese as well, which is a little bit left. And I'm going to declare eminent domain and seize it pretty soon if it doesn't get eaten. Because I can do that, because I paid for it. That's about it.
Alright, so we have finished our lunch once again. And now we are going to get some ice cream, apparently, later, probably. Now we are going to go to do some uppy-downy desks. Food review. Food was pretty good. This gel thing was this gel thing was weird, but it was good. It's good. It's really good with the meatballs, and we got a side of fries, chicken nuggets, and some adult mac. So lunch was delicious, and we'll see you at the uppy downy desks.
So we made it on the streetcar. Again, we're at the transit center. I guess the operator is taking a break. This is really cool. They have music playing, lots of seating. Love the retro streetcar here, and then I guess a wheelchair lift. Accessible, I see. So yeah, let's do a seat review real quick. I'm gonna sit in the back. It's no one can sit in the back. It's a pretty comfortable seat. I like the kind of the what do you call it? The cover. It's not covered in urine like on the CTA. So yeah. So there you got your metro station over there. I guess no one's here, so we're not making a stop. But again, we got the streetcar all to ourselves here. It's really nice. Another interesting thing here is that we kind of run in the median, as you can see here. Here, I can show you on the other side too. It kind of helps, I guess, alleviate traffic. Kind of running in the parkway. It's really interesting. You don't see a lot of this. But again, we're not stopping at any stops because there's no one getting on. So, I'm going to go to VoiceOver Daniel for like a history. Because like I know a lot of you are going to be like wondering like who funded this and why does it exist. So, ooh, KAT bus.
Kenosha, Wisconsin has always been a city on the move. For much of the 20th century, it was an industrial giant, home to American Motors and Chrysler. But as the 1930s rolled in, the city made a radical move. It pulled up its original streetcar tracks, becoming the first in the U.S. to fully switch to trolley buses. For nearly 70 years, the rails stayed silent. Everything changed in the late 80s when the massive Chrysler Lakefront plant closed. Kenosha didn't just see an empty lot, they saw an opportunity for a rolling museum. As part of the new Harbor Park development, the city decided to bring back the rails, not just for nostalgia, but as a clean electric transit loop to connect the downtown with the lakefront. To pull it off, Kenosha bought 5 vintage 1951 PCC streetcars from Toronto. These streamliners were restored and painted in colorful tribute liveries, representing classic transit systems from Chicago, Boston, Cincinnati, and Philadelphia. They weren't just relics, they were high-tech for their time, fast, quiet, and incredibly smooth. Opening on June 17, 2000, the 2-mile loop proved that vintage charm could solve modern transit needs. Today, Kenosha stands as a model for cities nationwide, proving that sometimes the best way to move forward is to look back. Let's take a ride.
So that was our stop.